Hey guys, Jason with Fender Garage. We're working on a 1985 square body pickup, which is a very cool pickup truck. I love these. I grew up riding to my dad in his, and so I definitely am fond of them. But it's still an old classic pickup truck. They're still old. They haven't perfected, things to be quiet like they do today. So if you notice, I've talked about this in the past. We've installed the Resto Mod membrane material, and there's a lot of other products out on the market. Everybody's kind of familiar with all the big popular name brands. The reason why we kind of like this stuff the best is because it has multiple layers. So it's designed to actually tighten up all the metal in the vehicle, but yet at the same time it's got an additional layer of foam which actually helps with heat resistance. So if you're not using it and you're installing a Resto Mod Air system in your truck, you're going to learn real quickly that if you haven't done anything to handle the heat, it's actually still going to be hot possibly, and you'll think that your AC system isn't working. Maybe it sucks and you don't know why you're using it, and you just won't comprehend what's happening. So the Resto Mod membrane is a quick solution, the same amount of effort to install to help combat the heat issues. So if you just have metal down here and then you put some sound deadener on it, that actually doesn't stop the heat from penetrating the metal. It'll actually just transfer right through the sound deadener, and it'll be just as hot, and sometimes hotter than the actual sheet metal itself. And so you need to have some kind of foam layer attached. So whether you're applying a foam over your sound deadener or you're using the Resto Mod Air membrane, those are some things that will help keep your truck a little bit cooler.